and Mandy. Strong wind.
Strong wind. They have a grill. They have a grill table. There's overlooking here. There's a view.
And Guy, do you have Mandy food? Do you eat it every day?
There. Nasa taas kami. Malapit lang dito ang bahay namin. Kami ay kakain ng dinner. And
Do you see the green building? It's a red.
oh wow, yeah, there's a green building there. Yeah.
Guy, do you want to go? Do you want to go to the green building? Or no? What do you say? Good or no?
Oh. And then what else?
Let's go downstairs, guys.
Okay, but the video is not allowed downstairs.
We're upstairs.
Yeah, only here. Oh, look. Oh. What else?
Guys, you have a pond here.
What is that?
It's a water. Guys,
Oh, malaglag ka na naman.
there's also a rocks there. And there's also beautiful flowers.
Oh, we can show the room there.
Oh, guys.
My little vlogger. Here is the room.
Here's the next room.
I'll go inside if you want to eat.
And you can also come here if you want to go to my house. You can take you around. And that's you want. And next.
And this is the big room.
This is the giant room, guys. And we can also explore here. That you can yay, we can run. But we can also eat here.
Okay po. May vlogger talaga din eh. It's not clean.
We're just going to see.
Oh, look at the beautiful.
And this, wait, let's see here.
What is inside? Oh, somebody. No, don't go there.
Somebody eat here.
Yeah, somebody's eating there.
Next.
Finish.
We need everything. We have another room that is green as this one, so we can sit down. Next one. There's some square here. Next one. This is big giant room.
Mm.
This is square like that. And there's big.
Okay po. Finish. Ay, bye-bye na, guys.
Bye bye guys. I love you.
And don't forget.
I love you po.
Okay po.